In today's video, we're going to explore 10 future motorcycle concepts you don't want to miss. Let's jump right in. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. With glasses in place of a helmet, smart clothing, and a kickstand which provides balance, these represent only some of the features that the Motorrad Vision Next 100 has to offer. This motorcycle adds a creative new direction to the world of motorbikes because even they deserve to be sprinkled with some digitalism in them, right? The black triangular frame, white lines, and traditional opposed twin-engine type are all features of the BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. The Vision bike appears clean from the side, so ergonomics and seat positioning are configured similarly to a roadster. The front is simple and elegantly designed with exquisite details. A sizable metallic reflector is built into the frame above the front wheel. Together with the built-in windscreen, it acts as a wind guide and guarantees aerodynamically efficient airflow. Kawasaki J. First shown in 2013 at a Tokyo motorcycle show, the Kawasaki J concept features a three-wheel motorcycle with a tilting ability. The strangest part of the bike is that each arm grip is free-moving, meaning the height of the hand grip will rise and lower with the lean of the bike. The bike can also change its ergonomics, providing the driver with an upright position for driving at more relaxed speeds, and a lowered position called attack mode, used for high-speed riding. Yamaha Motoroid. The Yamaha Motoroid is nothing less than a mechanized human. We're using this phrase for it because humans are the most advanced beings of nature and advancements make up the core of the Motoroid. Yamaha's exclusive AMCES Active Mass Center Control System self-balancing technology, an image recognition AI system for recognizing the face and gestures of the bike rider, as well as a haptic human-machine interface that wraps around the hips and aims to foster non-verbal communication between rider and machine. These working components are what describe the Motoroid best. Before Motoroid, each of these cutting-edge technologies was already being developed independently. The initial goal of the design team was to create a design for the testbed vehicle's exterior covers for these technological tweaks. Full Moon Motorcycle. Although the Full Moon concept motorcycle from Slovenian exhaust industry pioneers, Akrapovi takes its name from the enormous 30-inch aluminum and carbon wheel, its form and appearance are quite extraordinary. It has two modified custom-made Akrapovic exhausts and a 1,525cc S&S knucklehead engine that took over 800 hours to complete. The body and frame are an extension of the exhaust system and are built of sheet metal. The Full Moon, created as a follow-up to their 2011 Morsis bike, advances the plot while presenting itself as a unique, intriguing prototype. This motorcycle's shiny, silver design looks exceptional and something that would be seen in a futuristic movie. Being designed for the future, the Full Moon's entire potential is untapped. Honda Riding Assist. At CES, Honda made its Moto Riding Assist technology official for the first time worldwide. This self-balancing motorcycle considerably decreases the risk of tipping over when the motorcycle is at rest by utilizing Honda's robotics technology. The Honda Moto Riding Assist uses technology created for the company's Unicub personal mobility equipment rather than gyroscopes, which add a lot of weight and change the riding experience as announced by other firms. Suzuki Recursion Concept. Suzuki unveiled the Recursion, a motorcycle concept with a turbocharger, at the 2013 Tokyo Auto Show. A traction control system and an intercooled turbo are also features of the 588cc's parallel twin engine. Its power delivery was compared to a Buell V-twin by Mike Hanlon of Gizmag and Kevin Cameron of Cycle World as having the torque of a liter bike, given across a 3 times wider band and bundled into a light middleweight. According to VisorDown.com, the intercooler is mounted beneath the saddle. It's unknown if this would be implemented in a motorbike that would be put into production. Other production models with undertail exhausts and radiators, like the Benelli Tornado, have come under fire for having uncomfortable heat management systems. The Tron Motorcycle. If you're a fan of the 2010 science fiction flick Tron Legacy, then you'll love this part of the video because we're about to get a Tron light cycle in the future very soon. Although many iterations have been made of this vehicle, the one from Parker Brothers Concepts takes the cake. The first versions had Suzuki 996cc V-twin engines, but an electric version better known as the Xenon soon replaced them. The Xenon, which comes in 2 variations, supposedly charges in 3 hours and has a top speed of 70 miles per hour. It retailed for approximately $55,000, which is reasonable for a bike like this. It's likely the customer demand must have been higher than supply, as the producer has kept making improvements and still sells the electric Tron motorcycles under the brand New Tron. Zecoo electric motorcycle. The Zecoo, created by Kota Nizu of Znug Design, injects a bespoke look into the otherwise conservative world of electric bikes. The best way to describe this motorcycle is in 3 words: fun, swift, and silent. This bike has received a rash-like amount of coverage in the Japanese motorcycle press. It's undoubtedly risky, and not just in terms of styling. Take a look at the front suspension arrangement. How many buyers the Zecoo will find is currently the primary concern. Although it appears to be worth a lot more, the estimated cost is only $70,000. BMW Alpha. The BMW Alpha's design was getting a lot of attention, and right from the start, its concept was incredible. The style of the bike resembles that of a shark and features clean and smooth surfaces. The team of Mehmet Duruk Erdem and Mark Atkinson decided to bring this motorcycle to life because it wasn't fair for it to remain a 3D concept. After seeing its design, the question was how this machine could be brought to life. The chassis was the first thing built, and even at this early stage, the project was beginning to take on a beautiful appearance. As issues arose, they worked to fix each one, ensuring everything functioned flawlessly. The Lazareth LMV 496. The Flying Bike LMV. These 3 letters are where Ludovic Lazareth concentrates his dream, or rather his fixation. Despite how absurd it may sound, this fantasy may soon have a marketplace with the product's introduction. The French tuner, who had previously been astounded by the enormous LM847, set his sights even higher, realizing his dream. Although not the first flying motorcycle prototype, LMV 496 is unquestionably unique. 4 reaction turbines embedded in the wheels lifted off the ground rather than propellers. The turbines were created by the German JetCat and are entirely identical to those used in jet aircraft, with the exception that they are significantly smaller. Technology is moving faster than ever, and fortunately, that goes for motorcycles as well. We can't wait for these bikes to appear on our roads in the future. Before you leave us, we recommend you to check out one of these videos next. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Future Tech Enthusiast for more exciting videos in the future. And also, make sure to hit that bell icon to make sure you get notified whenever we release new videos. See you next time.